there! Today we're going to look at my 12-ounce mug mock-up. This is the 12-ounce square stoneware mug that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. So here's the file, and if I open up the layers palette, you can see it is very simple. We have a white background. We can turn on or off if you want to insert some other background behind there. We have the shadows layer, which has separate layers inside of it. If you think it's like too bold and you just want it to be lighter, or you want to just play around with that, feel free. Probably just going to leave it as is. We have the mug itself and then the smart object. If you want to edit the smart object, you just double click. It opens up into a new tab called a .psb tab. This is the way all of my files work. Here's our design. You want to paste in your design, just hide this one and go ahead and hit paste on your design and it will go in here. So if, for example, I had already copied out my design from Silhouette and I put it in here in some pretty font and I just hit paste, it would appear right here in my screen. And then I have to hit save. Go back to the original file, and there it is on my mug. Really, really easy. But we are not going to have that, so we'll delete it and put it back to the way it was. So if you don't want that on there, you just simply hide it. No big deal. And another thing I wanted to show you is along with the Photoshop file, you will get a flat JPEG version of the file where it's flattened onto a white background with the smart object turned off, so it looks like this. And you get a transparent ping version of the file. That means that you can see through. See this sort of slightly gray background bit? You can see through that. So if you were to place this mug onto an image that looked like a table in a room, you'd be able to see all around the outside of the shape and through the middle of the mug handle to the room behind. So this is great if you wanted to use this file to make a mock-up in Silhouette or in Cricut or any other graphic design program that you have on hand. So I hope you'll go check this out in the shop, and there is going to be a glitter version as well, so keep an eye out for that. Happy selling!